Welcome to the world of Python programming with Technosavvys. In this video, we are going to introduce you to Python, one of the most popular and versatile and interpreted programming language. Python is like the Swiss Army knife of programming languages. It's capable of handling a wide range of tasks from web development to data analysis and even game development. The possibilities are nearly endless. One of Python's strengths is its simplicity and readability. Even if you have never written a line of code before, Python's easy to understand syntax makes it a fantastic choice for beginners. Let's take a quick look at how easy it is to print hello world in Python. Oh wow! It's just that simple. You can see how Python's readability makes it a great starting point for programming. Python is widely used in various fields, from building websites to creating data visualizations and even designing games. Python can do it all. It's a language that empowers you to bring your creativity to life. So if you are excited to dive into the world of Python programming, you are at the right place. Whether you are a beginner or an experienced coder, Python offers something for everyone. Thanks for watching.